Metro Los Angeles, well, we're going to have some of that low cloudiness during the late night through early morning hours, becoming mostly sunny, though, during the afternoon, and a little bit cooler. The overnight lows in the upper 50s with the expected high tomorrow in the mid-70s. Right now, 76 in Burbank. Long Beach has 71, and at the Civic Center is 70 degrees. That's 21 Celsius.
be honest, I thought this song ended a little bit sooner. I was gonna just transition to the end of the song, but dang, it's been like 10 minutes. For some reason, I thought it ended like 2 minutes earlier. Oh, it ends at like after 11. Okay. All right. Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome on in. I forgot how long the opening of that was. But I've also added a new just chatting music that automatically plays. Also, happy April Fool's Day. Oh, now my phone figures out that I'm smiling. Earlier today, I just decided I didn't do. As Saya might know, I have my mother's eyes. Man, it's been a long day already. But I think this week at work is going to be a little bit better than previous weeks have been. So. I don't know what I'm going to do in the just chatting screen, but I like having it at the beginning. Kind of nice. Does it? Putting my hand near my head. I did. I remember. I did that over the weekend, and I tweaked this, so it actually moves a lot nicer now. It reacts a lot better. To my move. I spent a good like hour or so just tweaking the parameters and stuff a little bit, and like calibrating the phone, camera, and I gotta. So this time, we're doing better. Yeah, I've also set up. Yeah, I was seeing that too. I'm not sure what's going on there. I didn't change anything. Also, I just realized you're probably hearing background music echoed, aren't you? Yeah, I'm not sure. Turning up the mic a little. Heck yeah, that's just getting the mic input. It has. Okay, can you hear me now? I'm gonna restart my headset. This is ridiculous. Okay, how about now? Oh, OBS is still being shit. Or actually, what about now? No. Look at the volume. And, like, I'm moving the mic around and adjusting it, and it's just not changing appreciably. And I don't know why. How's this volume compared to normal? It looks a bit low still. No, I specifically went and changed it back in the properties, not do. Not entirely sure what its problem is. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I tried to mess with the bike physically, and I don't know. Nuts. Tweak the properties on. Is that the problem? Oh, I think that was it. I don't know why my microphone level got adjusted. But this is where I normally have it set. Yep, these levels look like where I normally have them. I have no idea what changed that. I have not done anything that would touch mic settings. That's so weird. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really not sure what happened there, but alright, well, at least it's fixed now. But yeah, so, we're gonna move into the actual code now. But I think I want to do a little bit of chatting at the beginning of each stream going forward. Because I like this screen, and I want to start putting more stuff on this screen as well. I have a lot of ideas for it. One of those things where, like, I've had some ideas, but like once I got the model, once I saw it moving and stuff, something clicked of like I suddenly care like in a different way about my stream and improving it suddenly. Like I don't think how to describe it. I think the best way I can describe it is previously I streamed just for fun, and like I didn't really care if it like took off and became super successful or if it just stagnated. Hey, what's up? Welcome on in. How you doing tonight? Like I still put effort in, but like if I missed like a deadline I gave myself or something for it, I wasn't super concerned. But now with the model, I'm like I really care if stuff hits or misses, and like getting to the point where it hits. I am doing good. Still a little bit tired from yesterday because I drove like 4.5 hours to see family, and the drive is extremely boring. So it was a little tough to stay awake for the drive home. But other than that, I had a lot of fun seeing family yesterday, and it's been a pretty good day so far. But yeah, so like I said, once I had the model, like once I saw it moving and stuff, and like when the rigger and the artist were showing it to me, it just like something clicked. I was like, this is the thing I want to run with on the stream now. So I have a lot more ideas that I'm going to be trying to execute on. That I didn't really give up before, but like didn't have enough motivation to do previously. Alright, so let's get into the code. Go over here. Oh, and also, I have keyboard shortcuts that do stuff like this. That might be a little small for the googly eyes to be. I did not consider that. You know what? Let's go a bit larger in the corner there. How does that look? You know, that looks better. Yeah, right. I got a whole move transition. It's cool. Yeah, let's do that. I'm just gonna save this real quick. Just a second here so that I can reuse that transition. There we go. Record that. Yeah. Oh, nice. Also, these are not my normal eyes for the model. These are googly eyes that are for April Fools. You know what? I think it was a fun intro with these, but I think I'm gonna remove them Oh, no. How do I remove them? I don't know how this works. Do that? Yep, there we go. Okay. I figured it out. Just gonna make sure the camera doesn't, or the phone doesn't move too much that I'm using as a camera here. So yeah. So this is where we got. We got to the point where I was actually like able to save it and load it back up in the editor here, which is really cool. Also, this music is still too loud. Hold on. There we go. Also, if you're interested in asking JavaScript questions, feel free. JavaScript is my primary language for both my day job and my personal projects. At this point, I'd say I'm almost really good at it. Okay, so I think there were a few checks we had to build in still, like double checking the URLs didn't get reused. C# is an okay language. Sorry, we're also going to bring up MongoDB here. We can go see our changes in the database. I think I want to change this to URL, though not name. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, C# is not built for doing that kind of thing, and it's quite bad at it, honestly. Like, C# is okay for building APIs. It is atrocious for building the front end because it has to do so many layers of translation and things that it's just not good at it. Also, I gotta double check one more setting here on the mouth. I feel like I messed that up earlier. Hold on one moment here. Oh, okay. I think I see what I did here. Yeah. Okay. I think I want a slightly lower threshold on it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we've got this thing going on. So now we're gonna modify our front end here. We want to change our schema. Thank you. It's actually just the which one is it? It's just the high contrast with a background image on it. Okay, so that means it's going to be in here somewhere where I did this. Oh, I see what I did here. Okay. Change that to URL. And change that to URL. And now let's reload, and it should still work correctly. And it did not. Why did it not work? I think I also need to recalibrate the camera a little bit, because I feel like it's looking off. Like, I feel like it's leaning a little too much for what I'm doing. Although I think I might actually just have been leaning. But that's also an option here. What's up, Hachi? I know I've done this a few times already, but everyone should absolutely go follow Hachi. She's the one who drew this amazing, beautiful model for me. And I can't, like I said, I can't find enough words to describe how much I love it. It's so good. Okay, so why did this not work? Let's take a look at our network calls. That's interesting. Do I have something in here? What is this? Yeah, user. Oh, I did put something in here because I'm a dingus. So it does have a little bit of that robotic feel. Although it is a thing that is much earlier than Warframe. It's based on Cosmos. Yeah, it's inspired by this. Yeah, I might need to do a little more with calibration. I've got the movement working a lot smoother now, and I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I think there's still a bit more work to do on this side. But I made a lot of progress with that video you gave me. I really appreciate that. I figured out hotkeys and I figured out items pretty quickly. It's funny, hotkeys when I opened the menu just made sense to my brain as a programmer. Like to me, it was like super obvious how they worked. So I have some set up already for my different screens. Okay, so let's refresh. And now we should get, yes, there we go. We get it back properly now. Cool. Okay. So this is pretty good. So now I want to put a check in on when they go to save rules. Because I don't want to just override. And I don't want people to expose their emails. I think this one doesn't have... Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do something with this one. We're gonna do is we're gonna bring this back this way. The reason for this is when I pull that document from Mongo, it has an email on it, and rather than like pretending no one's ever gonna see it by looking at the network console, I'm just gonna not give it back at all, so it never appears in the web page in any way, unless you're the person who is logged into the page with your email. I think that's going to be a better security model than hope no one looks over somewhere. Hey, what up, Chevy? Chevy, I got more movement and, oh, look at the booba. You know what I forgot to do? There's a thing that I forgot to do that I've been wanting to do now that I have the model. And that's let's make a tweet. I just realized this might show things that I don't want to see on screen, or that I don't want to see on stream. Oh, never mind. Sorry. This is a fantastic April Fool's joke right here. This is so good. Oh my god. Which one was theirs? I didn't see the one that was Pal World. Oh, was that the... Oh! I thought someone was actually making that game. I didn't realize that that was the Power World April Fool's joke. That's so good. I should put in YouTuber tags. Is there another one I should do? I feel like this is the thing with Twitter. I'm like, I have not done anywhere near enough research on this to remember what I should be doing. Oh, that's so good. Seems to be. Oh, nope, not CTuber. Yeah, those seem to be. I mean, they auto completed, so I'll use them. It's not even feeling like an old man. It's just the. It's just the like. I know there are algorithmic reasons to do this, but I have not looked into them. Like, I understand that tags are an important thing to do, and things like that. It's just the like. It's those little details. There we go. Patience do I have? Oh my god, I know what this is. Sorry. We're doing all kinds of weird stuff today. Yeah. Oh. Oh, you uh-oh. Uh-oh, my phone fell. Let's put it over there this time. That is a slightly better location. Hold on, give me 1 second to recalibrate with my phone in a slightly different position here. Okay, there we go. That's gonna be better. Thank you, Odat, for reminding me that I actually care about my YouTube now. At least in some capacity. Look at that. This one's doing numbers. Yeah, but I did post the VOD of it. So I've had a YouTube for a very long time. I've just never done anything on it. Thank you. But thank you, Oda, for reminding me that I should actually add one of those commands. And I should also probably disable one. I don't need the debut command anymore. I mean, yeah. Right now, so I actually have thought about doing YouTube stuff previously. So what I'm planning to do right now is do a combination of VODs and programming tutorials. So I do actually have something of a plan for it. Yeah. Rules for thee, but not for me. And I think they have something. Yeah, here we go. Command aliases. Okay, there we go. Let's activate the command. Yeah, that works. Go me. I done did it. There we go. Make it a slightly longer command. It's like I know how to use some of these tools a little bit. But yeah, so I actually have. So like I said, I posted the VOD. Hold on me. I still didn't do the chapters thing. I actually put some time in though. I can't put links in because my YouTube account isn't old enough, and I didn't want to give Google a picture of my government issued ID just to put clickable links in my descriptions. I did do timestamps though. Yours isn't that bad. Are you Kiseki 8 or Kiseki Hachi? Guess we'll find out. Wow. All right. Did you not reserve your name? Ignore the number of YouTube channels that I follow. Hey, I like yours. Oh, wow. That's unfortunate. Jeez. Having numbers at the end of it. Oh, that's rough. See, but yours has stuff on it. Also, now you can see how much I've tried to support the channel. That's embarrassing. Actually supporting my VTuber parents. Okay. What we're doing. I did the Twitter thing. Oh, you know what? Actually, there is something. So. So I did one of those things. So that because I follow a handful of other VTubers already. There was one that was doing a Smasher Pass today, and I snuck Shion in the last hour of the post. I haven't gone back to go grab a clip of it yet. But I was gonna send that clip in the Shion group chat that we have. You know what? I'm gonna pull it up real quick. I'm gonna see if because what's great is that what she did was she actually gave the timestamps on each of the replies in the thing, which was just really cool. So there was a specific reason I was gonna show it to you. Hold on. I'm gonna pull this up off screen for a second. Because I think she's actually still live with games right now. So I'm gonna mute the tab and pull up her stream. Yeah, she is. Okay. I don't know if the VOD is up yet. Ooh, it looks like it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just skip to the timestamp. 39. There we go. Okay. I know, right? And she did it live on stream, so we made fun of her for her slow typing. But yeah, I really liked the way she did it. And I was like, you know what? I hadn't really considered doing one of these previously, but it looks like it's kind of fun. And I think I might do one at some point. I get why people did it. It may have been a trend, but it looks like it's genuinely fun. So what she did is she actually had someone on stream with her, and that's probably what I would do as well, is have one or two people with me, because I think that's what added a lot more fun to it. Also, I want to do more chat interactivity with certain things. I would love to do something like that where I poll chat for their stuff too, like their opinions. So here, real quick, let me pull this over. So yeah, this is what it was.
Let's see.
Okay, sound looks good. Here, let me turn it up a little bit.
Why am I'm so bad at this?
Okay, can everyone hear it?
Shion, I don't have a lot of art yet.
Oh yeah, he
did it on Saturday. She's a virtual help. I mean, you can help me. She's a virtual helper. Dude, let me write.
It was hilarious.
She's a virtual helper made real that runs my stream. Am I what?
They got confused about my English.
Does that sentence make sense, or am
I tried to skip ahead a little bit, but it's hard to pick.
That runs Yeah, I get it. Like a virtual helper that became like.
I'm gonna
real,
close
like, in
that
the
so no one
sense of,
sees that I
like,
typed in here too.
Like AI.
she has a like an AI now having a form of a body. That's what I understand from that. Made real.
I would love to have like an AI, bruh.
Oh yeah, then
All
it
I'm saying is,
then it gets derailed a bit.
if in the near future there's robots where we could put AIs in and shit like that that are able to do stuff, I'll have like 3.
You have 3? Why 3?
So what's hilarious about that is that already exists. They have existed for several years. Oh, I know, right? She has a really cool aesthetic. Also, I just realized that I'm now hiding her because I hid the chat over there, and I didn't like actually hide the part that I wanted to hide. How can I do this? There we go, and I can still see her. um, but yeah, we were chatting a bit. We were in chat. We were talking about that, but I thought it was a funny
3?
comment.
1 for the morning, 1 for midday, 1 for night.
No, you're going to hell for what you.
What do you mean, man?
Really no way.
I need diversity throughout the day.
I haven't gone back and I haven't gone back to get the actual clip yet. I just pulled it up from the VOD that she
Why?
posted.
So you know what? This could be one of them. So that's a smash for me.
Oh yes.
The pink hair. The pink
Yeah.
hair, the bow. What are these? Like on the side of the cheeks?
It's just just some accessories.
No, I get that, but like I can't be like intrigued of what it is.
Just this accessory, yeah, with their ears and the head. It's like one piece.
Just robot stuff, a helmet. Got it. I love
Stop
it.
questioning it, man. Like, let her live.
I'm not questioning. I like it. I just wanted to know what it was. Why am I getting
All right, thanks for stopping by, Chevy.
Coming sideways at
Enjoy
me?
your lurk.
I like it. I really do.
So I like
I like the coat. I love. Damn, look at the spillage from the thigh highs.
I
10 out
I
of
love
10.
the stuff she
Definitely
noticed. Hachi
smash.
was the stuff that you really liked as well, like the pink hair being one of the first things.
a big ass package.
Yeah.
Hey, don't question it. The more the better. It's where storage.
I guess.
What's the detail on the collar though? Are those wings? Looks like a heart and wings.
Yeah, she didn't figure out how to
Definitely
zoom
a
images.
smash. Definitely a smash.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I just wanted to share that because I thought it was funny. So I was gonna send you the clip, like the clip of it when I actually went back to get it post stream. I was gonna do that like later tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, exactly. We got 2 smashes already. Yeah, that was like I said. It's always fun to just like see other people's reactions to the model as well, like live. But yeah, so it was fun to watch that. But I really enjoyed that. Like 2 of the things she pointed out was the spillage, as she put it, from the thigh highs, and the just digging the pink hair, because pink haired girls do it best. All right, so back to the actual thing I'm working on here. So we got this working again, but under the new name. Okay, so I want to do a check on that URL. Yeah. By the way, I've been using that emote already in other chats today, and I love it. It's so cute. I'm so excited to see the other ones that you're putting together. Oh. Okay. Actually, no. Since we were talking about the model, I'm gonna replug both of you again. For anyone who wasn't there for the debut, please check out Hachi and Lola. They're the VTuber parents of this beautiful, beautiful model. You know what's funny is like I knew it was gonna be good because you showed me the early work in progress on it, and I was already really excited. But like see it colored and stuff like brings it to life in a whole different way, and it's just like it's so good. I had no doubt with I have no doubt that not only the one you made is already great, but the other ones are going to be so great too. Yeah. Okay, so I've got an update 1 in here. I know what I need to make this run better. I need to put an index on email and URL. That's what I've got to do. All right, let's go ahead and create an index. One of them is going to be email. It is text. Ooh. I might want to do this for the URL. You know what? I'm going to enforce this on the email as well as the URL entry. That's probably going to be a good idea. Oh no. No worries. I appreciate you stopping by and chatting a little bit. And I'm glad that you also like how Xion came out. Okay, so URL. Enjoy your lurk, and I hope the cleaning doesn't take too much out of you. This is weird. There shouldn't be one with this name. Oh, you know what? Can I edit this one? No, I have to just delete the index. Okay. Let's drop that. Wait, why? Okay, yeah, let me... Okay. That was weird. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and create an index on email. We're not going to enforce uniqueness on this one. We're just going to leave it as text. Then we're going to go ahead and create an index on URL. That's text. We're going to enforce uniqueness on this one. Oh, only one text index per. Huh. Okay, what have I not realized about these? Oh, I've misunderstood what it means to be a text index. Okay. Got it. I just made these wrong. That's the issue here. Okay, we're gonna drop that one. Why is URL text there again? That's so weird. Hold on, I'm gonna reconnect to Mongo. Okay. Alright, so let's create it on the field of email. It is ascending. I will enforce uniqueness on it. Email index is fine for the name. Okay, that's fine. Odd that it's taking time now. Not sure why that's happening. Okay. I go refresh in here. It should be fine, right? Yeah, we're still good here. Okay. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. Let me see. That is slightly longer than I would have liked for the editor. Yeah, I don't like how long that load's taking. Let's time how long Mongo is taking up here. Why didn't it print out stuff? That's weird. Okay, what was it done? Oh, okay, it was probably because it was creating the index still. Alright, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so if I reload again, okay, yeah, that is significantly better. That's back down to what I would have expected. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and create an index on the URL field. It is also ascending. We're going to make that unique. Let it create. Cool. Okay. So now that should make it really fast to search on either of those things. Which is what we want. Okay. Because now what I'm going to do is when they go post to here, I should really make a wrapper for this as well at some point, because I've been using this, like, the Mongo data API stuff for a little bit, and I've been really enjoying it. Like, it's really nice to use, actually, and doesn't really incur much overhead. Like, not enough that I care. So let's see. Let's see, it's gonna find one. Okay, so let's go with existing. So we'll see what that looks like now. Okay, so if I go here for the network calls real quick, if I hit save. Okay, that's not too bad. Uh-oh. Oh, not this crap again. Why is it doing this to me again? But this is what I expected to see, is I got something back. Okay, so... This, what, document? Yeah. So if actually, oh, you know what? Actually, what I can just here is if this does not equal the current user, I'm gonna do error messages like this. I have no idea what usage means. Oh, number of index hits. Oh, okay. That's actually kind of cool info. Okay, so that loads pretty quick. And then if I go hit this, that doesn't take very long. Cool. Got that back. So now, if I go make a duplicate record, if I just take this, don't give it an ID. I'm gonna use another valid email here, but if I do this, I insert that document. If I go here and I try and do this, I should get back a different response now. And I do. Perfect. Oh, that's great. That's really good. That shit's working. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now I don't have the duplication going on. Okay. Now that we've got that settled. Yeah, so if I copy this and I go here, then it loads up. Or it doesn't. Because something is broken. What happened here? Do I have the wrong... Do I get back different data than I expected? Oh, wait a minute. This is still a using name, isn't it? Yeah, that's why. Okay. Okay, let's do that. So what happens is if they haven't set it up, or if they haven't, or if it doesn't exist, it gives back a null instead of erroring out and failing. There we go. This works. And this is exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, cool. So, I need to figure out my art tags, because I actually want to use this and send it to people now, or like put it on Twitter or something like that. Ugh, yes, I know, AVG. You tell me every fucking day. Let's see. I don't think I need this to load anymore, actually. I think we're good on that one. But what I am... Oh, you know what? I should update my favicon now. Now that I have Shion, I should be updating the favicon on my site. Well, for now, we're gonna go grab my current one. But I am gonna change it at a certain point. Yeah, here we go. The outer HTML. Drop that in there. Yeah, I think at some point what I'm gonna be doing is making it just calling it like favicon.png or something at some point. We come here. This now gets the favicon. We're good to go. Cool. This one should still work fine, and it does. Great. I have no idea. Oh, jeez. I have no idea what I would use for art tags. I did not think this far ahead. Although something I am noticing is that this is not aligned either. These have a margin. They do. Remove that margin on these. There we go. Now it all aligns really nicely. Alright, cool. Okay. I think what I want is while it's saving, I want to show something that denotes that it is actually saving as well. I think that's probably going to be a good thing to have. Okay, so when it's saving, okay, so I think what we're going to do here... no, let's go fixed. Set 0 pixels. What else are we going to do on this thing? What's the modal background? Windstorm. What's the background? Yeah, it's gonna be the background on the mode. I just manually set that. Oh. Didn't realize I did that. Okay. So something like that. Think that's how I do this. Yeah, spinner with the size on it. Okay, cool. Oh, I also want to give it want to make sure that it's above everything else. Go ahead and reload, hit save. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Make sure that that was working correctly. Okay, so I think we're good on a handful of things here. Anyone got suggestions for art tags? I do not know what I want for art tags. So I'll fill out the rest of it later. I want to figure out my art tags since I'm thinking about it. I guess we can come back to that. But I'm going to do that and save it. That way when I come over here, I can make sure it looks good over on this side of things. You know, but so what the art tag is when someone does the fan art, they can tag it to say that it's fan art of your character, rather than like a specific style of art. So being able to do art is irrelevant in this decision, which is why I get to make it. Yeah, we're good on that one. Ooh, oh man. Yeah, okay. So this, I think this is now work. Oh, I need to actually put in a an error message as well when it fails. Oh, I don't have a good way to do that right now. No errors, don't do anything. Do that with it. Okay, let's do that. Or I'm gonna print it to the console first. So that's the one that should fail. Yes, URL already in use. So now what do I show on this? How do I get it to show that message to me? I think this is how we do it. Because I do have something in Windstorm for this kind of deal. Yeah, so if we have a notification to show, then go back to Windstorm here. Okay, so that was the notification. And I think it was the toaster is the next piece of the puzzle? Yes. Okay. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, look at that. let's set this to danger. And bootstrap icons. What do you got for me? Want some kind of warning sign. Yeah, let's go with the triangle. DI exclamation. Triangle fill. That should work pretty nicely, I think. Okay, so we can do that export, and then we can also do an export const. I'm also realizing that this just needs to be this. And then we set a timeout for that after the amount of time. I think I want time first in this case, I think. That should theoretically work. So if I go up to the app level here, I do this. So what I should be able to do is import notifications from there. And then within the editor, I can say, yeah, import notify from that. So now when I get here, we just call the notify function. We give it, say, like 5 seconds. Let me show the error message. I think this will work. Here we do this. This is unfortunate. Why did this not work? Yeah, what the heck? What happened here? Why did it just not do the thing? Okay. Oh. Oh, damn it. Well, it's not timing it out, which is a little weird. It's not on the right Z index or something? What is going on with this thing? I don't get it. Why did I make that Z index 200? And why doesn't why doesn't this have the right Z index by default to work? How did that happen? I really never retested it. Holy shit. Okay. That's fine because it means that I can just do this, and that fixes part of the problem. But it doesn't fix why this... Oh, because I did equals, not just fucking setting it. That's a whole bunch of problems. But now I think it'll actually work correctly. Yep, there we go. And it went away. Cool. I'm going to bring it down to like 3.5 seconds, though. I'm going to specify the color because I do actually want to notify when it's successful as well. Okay, so I'm going to pull this stuff in this way. I'm probably going to change it to an object in a moment. But we're not quite there yet. Okay, so there's our message. Okay, good. So I wanted to make sure that YouTube was continuing to play properly, and it is. Okay, cool. Alright, so... that should give me a color change. Now I kind of want to animate it. I'll deal with that later. Future versions can have these fancier things. I'm not going to do that in the initial version. Oh, god damn it. There we go. Oh, I don't need the @ in here. That's why. Let's save. Alright, cool. There we go. That's looking really good. And our network call times are really small again, which I'm very happy about. Alright. So I think that takes care of this stuff. Yeah, that takes care of this part of it. So now we gotta work on this part of it and get it deployed. Which we should have enough time for. Ugh. Okay, so I think display is gonna work a lot like this. Hmm. Oh, here's okay. That's where I do that piece. Okay, so we got the loading already working. Yeah, so I think it's going to be something like this again. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm just going to copy it for the moment. Drop it in here. So we don't need any of these parts. Yeah, there's no saving going on. There's no notifications going on. None of that going on. So that got a lot shorter. Okay, so here's going to be the important thing on that one. Let's go rename inputs to displays. No update. Okay, so if it's a Boolean, read only on this one. I think that's how we're going to show those. I'm going to take out all of the like reactive stuff for the moment. Radials will come back to for sure, because that's going to be totally different display. Length we're not going to need. Don't need to worry about that at all. The hint goes away in here. Okay, so that should get me some really basic stuff going on. Yeah, okay. Okay, so what I've got here now... I'm gonna have the rules in here. I think we're good on the way it passes through currently. And then we're gonna do comment on that for the moment. Actually, no, we're gonna do that. Yeah, leave that there for now. We'll come back and visit that. But this should now be that. Let's see what happens. Oh, hey, that's not bad. Yeah, I mean, it's aligned the same way. Oh, but I've done that differently. Okay. We're going to try and make that the same as well. Ugh. Fucking. Why did I do this? Editor's inside of a screen. To be a screen, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, let's do that in there. And then overflow auto, I think. Yeah. Yeah, let's make it specific. Overflow Y auto. There we go. Yeah, now those match. Okay, I guess read only doesn't mean anything on these? Really? Okay. That's fucky. Gotta do that crap. Alright, well, we're gonna display things differently then. Which isn't too big a deal. I can work with that. I'm not that worried about it. Okay, so let's start with text ones first. I think I want those to just display like label and text and not have kind of the fancy crap around them. So let's start there. Yeah, I mean display. That's because that's a Boolean and I'm a dingus. Wanted that here. Yeah, there we go. Listen here, sir. I may have made that command, but I got nothing. Ooh, hell yeah. Also, much like I did earlier. If you aren't already following Lola, you absolutely should. She is the one who helped make Shion move the way that she does and look this great while she's moving. Please go check her out. She does, much like Hachi, she does absolutely phenomenal work. Okay. Actually, you know, Lola, this might be of interest to you as well. You really did. Okay. One of the things I was looking at when I was messing with the parameters was making sure they still moved in fantastic ways. I was gonna say, Lola, this might be something that interests you. Remember that thing when we talked about in your Discord last week about the NSFW, like the art rules, like fan art rules and stuff? This is the site that I'm putting together for, like, someone can go here with. See, you can set it up. You can write a whole bunch of different things, and you can choose your URL. Yeah. This is the URL when you're viewing. I'm currently getting this stuff to start looking right. So I'm actually about to change the groupings into something that looks even better, I think. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do with this is, if it's false, don't do anything. Otherwise, I think I want this. Let's do that. I want to see how this looks. That's almost what I want, but not quite. I think it's Bill. Yes, there we go. Okay, and then I want to make them smaller. Okay. Which means... Oh, how do I do this? I have anything for the flex sizing? Oh. Let me wrap in that. Actually, what I was gonna ask is, how does this look so far? So, like I said, I'm in the middle of tweaking this one, but how does this part look, where you can actually put in all the information? Because as you can see, laying things out on the screen is not my forte. I have very pretty looking stuff by default, but putting it on screen I'm very bad at. Hell yeah. So yeah, this I'm actively working on this one right now. So let's see, how do we do this? How do I make these look better? I think I changed the groupings. I think that's how we pull this off. I think this one I changed the grouping layout. We go flex direction row. And cross axis start. What does that do to these? And then I set flex wrap, and it still doesn't work. Why? I got so close. I got so close. Okay, so that's not going to be the answer. I think what I have to do then is on these somewhere. I have to do something like that, probably. It's not self-align. What is it? Okay, yes. Oh, it's align self. Oh, okay. That's the one I'm thinking. Got it. Had the words backwards there. Ah! There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay. So now what I want is, I just realized that it could be undefined. So just anything that is not true. There we go. That's a lot nicer. Now I gotta figure out this, which actually I think I know what I can do. If I go look at this, it's gonna have... Oh, it's got that. It's got two things inside of it still. I might need a little bit of actual code for this now. I'm not sure. We'll come back to that. Okay, so for the choice ones. Oh, and then these as well. Item label there. Oh, actually. Let's take this. So we'll apply a whole bunch of conditions there. Then we say if it's empty text, don't give back anything. Otherwise, give back some stuff. Oh, and actually, oh, do I have one for white space? I do. White space pre. Can 4 on that. Oop, that's the wrong one to refresh. I want to refresh this one. Okay, that's looking better. I'll probably want to come back to this and give it a border of some kind, but otherwise not too bad. I want to make the labels and stuff stand out better here, so I'm going to tweak this styling too. If I go back to my schema, what my choice ones look like. I didn't give them labels. You know, actually, I know what I'm gonna do with these. For the label ones, the ones that have like a choice note on them, we're gonna do some conditional stuff. I'm gonna do another chip in here. Hey, there we go. That looks better. So now if I came in here and I said ask, and I save that, I load this. Ooh, yes, look at that. That's cool. That is really cool. If I said no, hey, look at that. That's pretty neat. So I think I want to, I definitely want to tweak this a little bit. Where like if the group has certain properties in it, then I want to return something slightly different on it. See if I log what the rules look like every time it looks at them. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm looking at the items. Oh no, I can just look at the group that I'm actually pulling from. Duh. Okay, so if I look at this, and it's a choice node on the first item. Let's do that, yeah. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do here. Already got my idea here. Oh my god. So we're gonna look at the items. Okay, so we're gonna look at the rules for that key. Yep, okay. What we're gonna do here is, if it's a no, we're not gonna display anything else. There's no reason to. No reason to display anything else in there if it's a no. So we'll come back up here. HTML. And then we're actually just going to go copy from these. Yep, we're just going to take this. We don't need that case anymore because it doesn't get down to there. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, just, nope, no NSFW, please. The ask should still show that stuff. With the yellow, perfect. And then yes, we already know works, but we want to make sure it still does, and it does. Okay, cool. So now I can do more with this. So I can skip. I think I can. What I'll do is I'll skip any of these that don't have stuff in them. I think that's how we'll play that. And now I can do that at the group level. Okay, so what we'll do is we will say we're going to look for all the ones that are not false. So we're going to say anything where the group is the item.rules key. It's not we're gonna have two conditions here. So if it's defined and it's not false, let's see, hold on. I'm gonna write these in the order I want them actually thinking about them. Yeah, so we want to check the ones that are defined and are truthy. Yeah, because any of the string ones are also going to be considered truthy. Okay. Alright, put the item key there. Turn null if we don't find any. Hey, that worked. Hell yeah. I didn't expect it to work on the first try. Hey, what's up, Codespace? How you doing? This I want to format differently for sure. Oh, nice. I want these to be outlined. With these ones to be outlined, I'm not sure. These feel too large suddenly. The way that they're set. That doesn't feel large enough. I just make it thinner. That's not bad, actually. Yeah, you know what? That's still pretty good. So do that for that one. Okay, we're getting close. I think now the last thing I want to format is the text area ones. Don't need an ID in there anymore. Oh, we also want to format this a little bit better. Huh. How do I want to do this? I think this one I might turn into a field set. Let's try it and see how it looks. That 2. That's actually not bad. I kind of like how that looks. Now the only one is these. How do I want to make these stand out a little bit better? Oh, actually, we're also gonna take out that. No reason for that anymore. What do I want to do with this? Really don't know. How do I make these look? How do I make these stand out better? Oh, I know what I can do. Got an idea here. size of that? 101. Okay. I do 120 pixels, min content. Or I just do that. That could work too. Yeah, that could. I think that'll work better. Let's try it. And then what I'll do is one div here. Another one here. Just inverted text color. Or pixel padding. I'm going to carry that padding over to this one so that it matches. I think that should give me something pretty cool. Yeah, there we go. That's kind of what I was thinking of. I want to tweak it a little bit more now, but that's the basic idea right there. That looks pretty good. Okay, so that grid should have nothing in it, and then next line center. Order on that. There we go. That's what I was thinking. That looks really good, I think. Let's get a quick screenshot. Yeah, that should be enough to show. I'm gonna get a quick opinion check from someone who does better design than I do. I think this works as a first version. I kind of want to like upload it and see. Like I want to deploy it now. And see if this is going to work on Cloudflare the way I hope it will. You know what? Yeah, let's do this. Let's get a Git repo ready for it. Oh, okay, I didn't make one for it yet. I'm not going to bother with a README. MIT license. I'm not worried about trying to make money on this thing. Oh. Okay, I got a little bit of feedback. gonna see. So we got feedback on colors that I want to try. Let's get this repo created. So that we can get this thing ready to go. Okay, that looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and clone a repo, GitHub. Okay, pretty minimal stuff. So let's copy these into that GitHub folder. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Missing anything? I think I'm good. Yeah, so go ahead and move to this folder. Okay, so I can't run it right now. I didn't copy that one file. Okay, you know what? Really, YouTube? Yes, I'm still here. Ugh. Okay, let's see. So I do want to grab this, but I want to add it to my ignore list. I'm going to do that off screen for a second. Yeah, okay. Ignore that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, just double checking phone notifications real quick. Alright, so let's go back here. If I'd run this again, it should be good. It'll come back here, do this. Yes, excellent. Okay. Cool, still working. That's what I was hoping for. Okay, cool. So, I'm going to go and delete this folder once I have this in Git. But I wanted to see, because Lola is just really good at design, like, as well. And I'd love to get her opinion on what color she thinks that should be. Oh, you know what? Let me, here. Oh, no, it's not in there. Should be in here. Ah, yeah, okay. I don't want to be logging that all the time. There's no reason to. Yeah, there we go. Reload that. Yeah, same deal. Okay, good. But she recommended I change this green to something a little bit different, so we're going to try it. Okay. Like I said, I'm still pretty happy with how this has turned out. So, you know, let's open up Cloudflare. I probably have to log into this too. Oh, I don't. Okay, good. I've logged in recently enough. Cool. That means I can do this. We'll come back to this in a moment. Once we get this uploaded. You know what? I'm going to get a version of this going. I'm going to ignore that folder and this folder. Don't want those. That looks fine. Okay. Make sure that, okay, yeah, that's not going to have any secrets in it. So we're good to push that up to GitHub at least. Check this. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Yeah, I'm not worried about that because I got the API key going for it. Maybe I should configure that as a variable though. Not gonna worry about it for now. We'll see if it becomes a problem later. I am gonna go ahead and delete this document. Okay, cool. Real quick, I'm gonna double check notifications here. Okay, that's fine. Not worried about those at all. Nothing. It's nothing that I have to go and deal with immediately. Ooh, oh, jeez. But I think we'll be pretty good once I get that color. I should figure out what tags I should and shouldn't use. I should try and figure out what my art tags are going to be. Let me pull up Twitter off screen real quick, just in case you know, something unsavory pops up first. Hey, look at that. All right, cool. So I wanted to bring this over here after I ran a search. This kind of works. I guess I could try that. Something like that. What the hell would I do for NSFW though? I have no fucking clue. Something like that feels just really lame. I want something more. I want something more betterer than that. But I have no idea what. Hmm. Why is there someone with at that name? This isn't bad. Something like this. I feel like this is gonna have results. Yeah, because there's enough characters that could have the name. Oh, actually, not as much as I thought, but those are really old too. Wow, someone else who used the name Shion for their OC. God damn it. What do other people use? Well, I need some ideas here. Hmm. Not have any results? Okay, so that one could work for NSFW. Yeah, I like that it updates instantly. What the hell do I use for regular art as a tag? Maybe do something like that. Really? Someone has that name? Whatever. It's still got no media on it, so yeah, you know, I think this is what we'll go with. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, kind of like that more. Keeps them like kind of similar. Okay, cool. So now I could go fill this out, but okay, so I really want to get that color, but I think she's still eating dinner. You like how it turned out though. All this different stuff and I can add more with the schema thing really easily, which is the cool part. And it won't show it in here until people fill it in, which I kind of like. It's a neat little trick I've pulled off there. Oh, okay. Sorry, I saw a work message come in and I got real concerned for a second that I'd have to start caring about work at this time of night, but I don't. Okay. Yeah, I think she's eating dinner right now. I think she's busy. So I'm not gonna wait to publish this because I can always go back and change the color pretty simply, especially now that I've got it in GitHub. So let's go ahead and publish it. I'm gonna connect to Git. Fanart rules, begin setup, live branch, no build command. Output directory is that. Okay, I'm gonna configure this off screen for just a second. Pull this over here as well. So I have to go grab sensitive data. Mongo underscore key. Okay, yeah, it's not showing the bad stuff. We're good. Okay, save and deploy. Okay, let's see. We can bring this back over here. Uh-oh. What? Oh, you piece of crap. Ugh. I didn't figure out that I was using PNPM somehow. Not sure why it didn't figure that out. I committed the lock file. Okay, you know what? I think what I've got to do here, gotta reconfigure it slightly. Gotta bring this back over here. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna give it a build command. I'm gonna tell it to echo hi. I'm gonna see if that takes. I'm gonna stage that. Because for some reason it decided to just not run the command like it was supposed to, which is really weird. So we're going to configure it to save real fake build like the command we just made. What? What the fuck is it talking about? Cloudflare, what kind of drugs are you on? Oh my god. What did it do this time? I gave you a build command, you dumb piece of garbage. Okay, it's doing something really weird. Okay, hold on. I have to tweak it, I think, kind of off-screen here. Yeah, definitely have to tweak it off-screen. Let me encrypt these. Okay. There we go. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, god damn it. I have to go change my fucking keys because it just leaked them because it wouldn't encrypt both fucking sets. No preview environment variables. I have to go change both of my regular ones now. I can't just... Oh my god. This is so fucking terrible, Cloudflare. Come on. Alright, let's re-encrypt that first one. And then I've got to sign in quick before someone manages to use that fucking key on me. Start fucking with my data. Gotta love it. Oh my god, load faster, please. I do not have the time for this. So, I leaked keys on stream, and I have to go change them right now. I've pulled it off screen again. Because Cloudflare didn't encrypt it the way I wanted it to. Okay. So, I'm going to pull this back over real quick. It should fail right now. There we go. Perfect. Yeah. So I've now disabled the key. Did I actually disable the key properly? I'm not sure right now. Nope. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, so the user came back without any rules in it, which it wouldn't have if the key was working. But I should check that first. Okay. That's fine. I'll deal with that at a later time. Not gonna worry about it here. So that means it is disabled. So I have disabled the key properly. So now I have to go create a new API key. Yes, I got it, Mongo. Thank you. So let's go over here. Write the variables in here real quick. Bring this back over. It should now load again. And it fucking doesn't for some reason. Why the hell not? Really? This is the right place. What the fuck? Yeah. I don't know why. Oh, I just realized why. I have to restart it with the new variable on it. That's going to be the thing, isn't it? Yep, that's what it did. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good. Cool. All right, so now I can put this one into Cloudflare. I can encrypt the value. Okay. Now I can bring the damn window back over. Ugh. God, that was a pain. That didn't leak, so I can't get the code from there anymore, so we're good there. Alright. So it has the right stuff now. I want to go here. I want to edit the configuration to this. Okay. Now can I retry it with the new settings? Will that work? I don't know. There we go. Okay, yeah. So now it did the right fucking thing. God damn it, that's so dumb. If I have so if I have node modules, I have to run a fake npm command essentially to get this thing to work. That's kind of stupid. Let's set up a custom domain for it. Activate domain. That's fine. We're so close to done. Oh, I have to go to auth 0 actually. And I have to configure the application to allow that as a redirect. I think I used GitHub for this as well. Alright, hold on 1 second. I have to do this. So I have to essentially turn off the tracking for Xion real quick. So I can go grab my auth code for this. Yep, there we go. Okay. Open back up VTube Studio there. Alright, cool. Tracking's back. Save changes. How is that not a valid URL? What? Does it gotta be comma separated? Oh, okay, that's so weird. I hate when it does shit like that. Let's go check and see the DNS in here real quick. Okay, so that should work now. So ooh, that's looking pretty good. accounts. Hell yeah. Oh, that is so cool. This is what I've been working on. And then if I do this, yes! It works! It actually works! That is fucking cool. Oh my god, I'm so happy that it's working. Yeah, I think we're good. I think this is where we can call the stream for the night. We got it published. It's working. Yeah, I'll come back and I'll change these colors based on what Lola recommends for a new color there, but that works. That does the thing I want it to do. Oh, that is so cool. I'm a little bit surprised that it's all actually just working. Even though, like, Cloudflare's local development environment is, for the most part, pretty solid. I gotta say. Like, it does a pretty good job of actually giving you, like, close to what you're gonna see in the real world when you deploy it on pages. That's impressive for a cloud provider to get that correctly. Anyway. Let's go look for a raid target. Oof. Looks like Sato is still running the key sanity. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and raid him. So I haven't actually raided him in a little while, and he was here for the debut, and I appreciated that. That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, let me get that going, and we'll go ahead and close out the stream for the night. Going. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna post this. I'm actually probably gonna post this on Twitter when I get the colors cleaned up a little bit, and I'm gonna complete it for Shion. Next on Wednesday, I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet. I might work on adding images to this, but I'm not sure on that one just yet. That's gonna take a bit of extra work, I think. But it shouldn't be too bad. I've got other things I do want to work on though. I think we're gonna go back to working on some bot stuff now that I have actual Shion stuff. I can put some cooler images in it. I think I do want to start working back on that and getting that doc piece ready, because that was a lot of fun. And I've kind of got I've been writing some extra code for my own stuff, but I think I can really clean it up with a more centralized piece of software essentially. So I think that's what we're gonna do Wednesday. And Saturday we're gonna try gaming with this. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna go check out Sato. Also, for people that weren't here for the debut, please check out my VTuber parents. They've done just such an incredible job, and there's still some work they're doing. Anyway, that's gonna be it for me. We're gonna go ahead and raid Sato, wish him some luck with the end of his sanity, and I will see you all next time.